Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin, and today I'm in Panjim. So I've come here for some work, and that's the reason why I thought of shooting this video. So what I'm going to do right now is, as you saw, this is IC Church, Immaculate Conception Church, that was on the left. A very famous church here in Panjim. I'm going to take this right and head towards some nice areas of Panjim. And as you can see here, there are cars and bikes that are coming from both sides. And look at this beautiful building here, administration of Comunidades. Okay, so what we are going to do now is we are going to head straight, and then we are going to take a right from here, and then further down we will get Bombil restaurant, and we will get some well-known places that I'm sure you guys are aware of. But please note that when you are in Panjim, you'll see cars and bikes coming from both sides, and you know there are many one ways over here, so that's the reason why you have to be very cautious. Okay, so let's head straight from here, and then from further ahead I'm going to take a left. Now this pharmacy here, Hindu pharmacy, it's a very good pharmacy in case if you want medicines which are not easily available everywhere. These guys have most of the medicines. Kokam curry here on the left, we have already made a video on that, and that has crossed like 12 or 13,000 views. On the left here, Cafe Ritz. So there are many places, and because Panjim is a city, you will see mostly buildings here, mostly 3 stories or 4 stories building. Okay, this is the famous Bombil restaurant. I haven't eaten here, but I have heard a lot. But I have also heard mixed reviews. Lenskart here, and what's that? Bombli. That is the Pan-Asian restaurant of Bombil, I guess. And on the right here, there's Puma, there's United Colors of Benetton. So there are many places for shopping here as well. Jiva, Bata. On the left here, Delhi Darbar restaurant. And this here is Cafe Real. On the right. I'm sorry, the camera moved a little bit. So yeah, Cafe Real on the right, and we have already eaten here. Zante's cashews, you can buy cashews from them. The quality is very good. Talking about Cafe Real, we had a very good experience because the rates are very reasonable, the seating comfortable, and the ambience is very good, very soothing. Okay, Levi's here on the left, and as you can see here, these structures on the right, they look very nice, Portuguese era buildings. Okay, now we are going to head straight from here. And what's there over here? Mochi. So there are so many shops here. So unlike the touristy areas of Kalangut, Kandolem, Baga, and you know all the other places, even if you consider South Goa, comparatively, if you notice, there are many options here in Panjim. And we've eaten at some restaurants. We've ordered food online. I felt the quality was very good as well. On the left here, Woodland. And but there's this one experience that we had from Cremo, I think that's how it's pronounced. The first time when we ordered the sandwich, and what was the other thing, Adrian? What roll was it? Focaccia roll, right? Focaccia sandwich and kati roll. So both were good, but the second time when we ordered the pizza and the burger and the tea, it was very disappointing. So yeah, they are not consistent, and we ordered from the Miramar branch, if I remember. Okay, on the right here, the waffle company, Airtel gallery here. So there's so much. As you can see, this place is full of options if you are interested in taking care of your shopping, or if you want to you know, buy some things and all that. So much is there over here. Okay, Wellness Forever, another pharmacy which I would like to say is very good. You can get a lot of medicines, Naturals ice cream. If you are in India, you have to try Naturals ice cream, especially the Sitafal, it is called in Hindi, and I don't know the Konkani name. In English, it's called custard apples. I don't know. There's another name for it. Sweet apple or what, Adrian? Sugar apples, I think. Yeah, I'm not sure, but yeah, custard apple, we call it custard apple. On the right here is Our Lady of Fatima shrine, and there was Don Bosco school here. And this is a petrol pump where I usually actually refill the petrol. Although I prefer HP nowadays compared to BP. HP is Hindustan Petroleum, because the ethanol mix in that petrol is very less compared to Bharat Petroleum. It's just a post that I saw online, but yeah, please verify the post. I don't know how true that is. And lately, I don't know if you guys have experienced this problem, but I certainly am having a problem starting my bike. I have to always kickstart the bike. Patanjali store here. So there are so many things here, this guy is selling sugarcane juice, although this is not the season really, but summer season, yes. On the right here, many banks. What is this? Sarovar Udupi. I don't know, I have not eaten here, but I think it's a known place. Caramel Street. There are so many options over here. PNG Jewelers. Okay, so if you are enjoying these videos, if you are finding the videos informative, please leave a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think about the video. And what I'll be doing now is I'll be going a bit straight, and then from further down we will take a U-turn and come back, and then we will close the video here somewhere. Okay, and talking about pharmacies, there is one very important thing that I wanted to ask you guys. When you visit a pharmacy, do you ask for a discount? I know many of you guys don't, but in case if you are making a high purchase, please make sure you ask for a discount, because many pharmacies give up to 10% discount. Like this one on the right here, Elixir Medicos, these guys give a discount, because we've come here for some work and we ended up purchasing medicines worth 2,000-3,000 rupees, and they did give us a discount. Okay, look at this beautiful chapel on the left, and there's a lovely hill there on the left somewhere. And if you see the location, this area is called Sant Ines. It will be written as Saint Ines. Snowbirds Fitness Studio. So there are like gyms here, everything. And if you ask my opinion about staying in Panjim, if you like the city and if you enjoy the city, I would highly recommend Panjim. Panjim is a nice place to stay, and as you can see here, the roads and everything is quite organized. Yes, there are many complaints because this was supposed to turn into a smart city, but yeah, things have gone haywire in some cases, but in most cases it's quite good. Zafran here on the right, we saw that for biryani, but don't really know how good it is. Recently we had gone to a place for biryani in Panjim. I forgot the name, but the video is there on our channel. The food was very good over there. So as you can see here, there are so many options. Like there's literally everything that you want here under the sun. You can find it all over here. There are gyms, there are car showrooms, there are banks. It's all there over here. Everything what you basically want in a city, it's all there over here. Okay, and this is Zaki's Biryani on the right. Even this one we had shortlisted, but we didn't end up coming here. We went to the other place. And if you go straight from here, you can go to so many places. You can go to Miramar. Somewhere on this road we had gone to Cafe Ashwin or Ashwini, I don't remember the exact name. Ashwin, I think. Even there the Goan breakfast was quite good. So yes, overall it's a very nice place. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to, yeah, Cafe Ashwini is on the right. It is Cafe Ashwini, yeah, this right here. And what we'll be doing now is we will be taking a left from here, and we will close the video. But I hope you guys found the video informative. I was in the area, so I just wanted to show you guys what's there over here. In case if you are planning to visit Panjim, it is useful. And there are many furniture shops and all, everything over here. Yeah, Cafe Ashwini is on the left here. So I hope you enjoyed watching this one. Until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.